Welcome to Quick Tip number 5. In this video we want to show how to connect an HD column speaker for fixed installations. All equipment needed is a Phillips screwdriver PH2. Attention! Please ensure that the installation is only carried out by qualified personnel and that the amplifiers are switched off when the cable connection is established. First, let us take a look at the speaker. It has an 8 mm diameter cable entry on the back of the housing, which is located in the T-slot at the bottom of the back of the logo. This hole is used for the invisible connection of permanently installed HD column speakers for wall mounting. Now let's start by turning the speaker upside down. To open the speaker, remove 3 of the screws from the bottom cover and store them in a safe place. Then loosen the 4th screw so that you can swing the bottom cover to one side. In the next step, guide the connection cable through the cable entry in the T-slot. Inside the speaker you can see the connection terminals with 2 pre-installed cables, a positive and a negative one. 2 more free spaces are still available on the terminals. Now you can establish the cable connection. To do this, you have to open the clamping levers at the free positions of the connection terminal upwards. Then insert the stripped cable. Please pay attention to the correct polarity. Each connection pole has its own terminal. The positive connection of the loudspeaker is always color-coded with a red or brown cable. The negative connection with a blue or black cable. When you have inserted the 2 cables in the correct position, press the clamping lever down again until it clicks into place. Check the polarity of the speaker to ensure correct function. Once this is done, you can close the loudspeaker again. Therefore, swivel the lower cover back into its original position so that all screw holes overlap, and screw all screws back on. If you have any further questions, just feel free to contact us.